All right, good morning.
Slightly hungover, slightly hungover you. Slightly hungover, slightly hungover you. I'd be lying, baby, if I said it wasn't true. Slightly hungover, maybe slightly blue. Slightly hungover, maybe slightly blue. I never had the blues, baby, before I met you.
Nick, how is my audio? Oh, it sucks.
Slightly hungover, Turn the lights down low. Come right on over here to me. I know you don't want no commitments, baby. I just wanna set your body free. And I don't care what's going on in the night outside my door. I just wanna get your head right, baby. Give you all the love I got for sure. So baby, if you've got that feeling, you know I wanna give you that midnight healing. Oh, I just wanna make love to you all night long. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about.
Hello? Alright. Should be much better right now. Alright, sundial wants to make its move, and I'm gonna let it do it. Feel me? There we go. You know what? What I want to see in CCIV is a close on hourly above this level, above $30, and then a retest of this level.
What's going on? Baby, what's going on?
But gemido, I don't know. I don't know.
Cold-hearted woman, stop treating me wrong. Baby, what's going on? Baby, what's going on? Cold-hearted woman, stop treating me wrong. Loving you is wrong. I don't wanna be
Send me some stocks to look at, because
if loving you.
the one I'm looking right now, I have a little list over here, but you know, more stocks better.
Woman, let's make love and not fight tonight.
Microvision on daily chart, we've already completed this move here, right here, and I expect a move up starting today. Unless it wants to go to 100 EMA, because usually we want to retest it, especially when we have moves like this. Airbnb, same thing. Today is the day it should go up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9. Here we go. Airbnb looks like it's gonna make the fifth wave up, but I'm still waiting on confirmation. I wanted to close above this level, above 190.
Cold-hearted woman, stop treating me wrong.
97.
Cold-hearted woman.
And AMC. What did I see here? Oh, on hourly chart, it bounced from 100 hours EMA. So that's usually a support level. If you see here, was a good entry when the price crossed both 100 and 200 hours EMA. Look at this move from $6, 640 until 10, 11. But it's very important that in today and I guess Monday we don't make a lower low. Okay, Nokia, Neo, and Palantir. Yo, those plays have been popping lately. Nokia hourly chart. Today we might test 100 hours EMA. If we have enough buyers, we might break this resistance and go up. And what's beautiful about it is that we've made a low price 2 days ago over here. We've made a new high, and the next low is higher than the previous low. If we keep it like this, we should be good. Palantir, same thing, it needs to retest 100 hours EMA. You see how many times it comes back? Every time it goes a little bit too far from 100 EMA, it comes back. 1, 2, this one almost, and here as well. We are too far right now. So 26, at least 26 per share today. Let's see the options. we're not gonna look at the 0 days expiration contracts because they're not good at all. But look at these 7 days. They're pretty cheap. $26, only $108 per contract. And look at the volume yesterday. I love it. And open interest, perfect. Okay. So this is something to watch for. I guess $26 contract, unless we hit this target in the market open. Because if we hit 26 in the market open, we'll have a bounce back, and hopefully it's not gonna go too low, and it's gonna try to break it the second time it touches it. And NEO, and same thing with NEO. So look, we're trying to break this 100 EMA, yes, and here we almost broke it, but because we've already had this big move up, we didn't have enough power to break it. We might have it today, because if I'm not wrong, we got news on them today. Let me see, I don't know where I saw it. Yes, Seeking Alpha, Palantir, profits in plain sight.
Help me through the day. Help me through the night. Darling, your sweet
Yeah, so this guy feels kinda bullish on Palantir for the long term, and he says every dip is an opportunity for you to buy, but he's kinda unhappy about the management that they kinda hide some facts what um, what touches the topic of the company and the structure inside the company. I don't know. I don't know. Hey Brian, how you doing? Nokia is it's still good. Nokia is still good. As long as we don't make a new low, we are good. So we need to keep trading above $3.91 per share. IDEX, same situation. We're trying to break this 100 hours EMA. And a good thing what I see here is the RSI. Look at this. We kinda have a resistance in this level. But so right now the angle of EMA 200 and 100, it's too deep, and it's gonna take some very good news to get enough buying power to push this price straight up, because usually it goes down, then it consolidates, and then it breaks it with time. So unless we get good news, we will still need to consolidate. Yes, we will try to touch these 100 and 200 EMAs, but a better confirmation of the price going up would be the yellow line 100 EMA crossing above the purple line 200 EMA. This is hourly chart. Okay, let's go back. This is from yesterday. I love Sundial. I got in Sundial yesterday, but I got in too damn early, because what I said in the morning is that I'm gonna get in at the end of the day, and the end of the day was a perfect price. I think I got in around 140 something, but I could get like 136. So the way for you to know a good price to enter at is, one, you gotta enter after a red move, as happens here, but it needs to be as close as possible to the last high, which is right here, because we have the one high here, the second one here, and then it drops. So the last high was in this area around 142, and from 142 and 135, this was the range to buy. I like the bounce from this level in pre-market. If you see, it was a strong move down, but we've bounced. As long as we don't cross this last low over here, we are gonna start to make the 5 Elliott waves up. So what we need right now is to break 142, to retest it, to find resistance at that level, and then we're gonna keep going up, at least until we get some crazy fucked up analytic news. Don't buy Sundial, they lose money. And the hedge funds are buying Sundial in the dark pools. Love them. Nick, smash that like button. You know how it is. You know the struggle. So G&G, Johnson and Johnson's, right? They have the vaccine, coronavirus vaccine, and it's about 66% efficiency, which is not that good, but the good thing about it is that it's only one vaccine, because what we have right now is if you go to take the vaccine, you gotta have 2 shots to, to get treated, whatever. That's how it works. Johnson and Johnson's only have 1 shot, and Biden said if FDA approves the vaccine, he has some big plans on them. Now, yesterday or 2 days before, FDA said that they feel kinda good, kinda nice about this vaccine. Now, all it takes is the approval. Once we get the approval, boom. And the hourly chart is pretty good, because we've made a move lower, we've tried to go up, and we've made a move lower, but we didn't go lower than the last low. See, we didn't make a new low, and technically this is an ABC move, and we have 2 days in green, which is very good. See, we're going up. Now GameStop. GameStop might go to 83 today. Unless we get crazy as volume in the morning, but still, let me try something. Let me hide this. Done. Yes, so the last move down lasted 3, maybe 4, but the fourth one is like nothing. So 3 or 4 candles down, and we're trying to make them here. And I'm not sure should I count this one, because it's technically it closed lower than the previous one. Hopefully you will have nice volume, but as of right now I'm more inclined to think that she's gonna drop, because that's what we're doing right now. And this would still be a bullish pattern. Why? Because we were trading at $40 per share. We've made a huge move up, which is not justified by the technical aspect of the company, the numbers we make. We are losing money. We've been losing money for years. But we're trying to retest 100 and 200 hours EMAs. And if we find resistance here, we are still gonna be 100% up from the price it was trading before. So a 50% pullback, this is gonna be actually with a 70% pullback, but still it's pretty nice. I wouldn't bet on them long term unless they come up with a huge plan. I know we are trying to get into digital sales of games, because regular stores are not that popular anymore, especially after this coronavirus thing. And if we could get all Microsoft games and our popular games go through the online store of GameStop, that would be huge. Let's see. QuantumScape. This right here, I love it. We found resistance at 200 hours EMA. We've tried to break it. We could not. Consolidation. We've tried to break it. We could not. We've retested 200 EMA the second time, and we found resistance again. Okay, we didn't make the lower low, which is also good. And right now we've started going up. What I want to see is a move up today at a test of this level and a resistance. I wanted to find the resistance around $50, $59, $58, or even more, because these EMAs are gonna move a little up once the price goes up. So once we find the resistance at this level, it should keep going up. And look here, daily, which is the higher time frame, has a bigger influence on the price. And we've dropped from 132 till $41. But look where we stopped, at 100 days EMA, and we found resistance. If the resistance is right here, this is a very strong bullish case, because it technically it made a move up and only a 50% pullback, so this is still strong. Taken from 50, 40, 30, 20 and less percent pullback, this is bullish. 60% is still okay. 70% and up is kinda, you know, I don't know, like, not really, you know. And here is CCIV. What I said, I wanted to break it and I wanted to retest this thing on an hourly time frame. I would target $37, $38 per share. If we find resistance here, that's the price I would expect to find resistance, but also here, because well, this is actually a bullish case. Look, we had a huge resistance here after this huge drop. Look, the bulls were in control. They couldn't hold it for so long, but are still okay. What are the options saying? 7 days, 36, $1. Let's see. Okay. Okay, GME, let's go. This is very exciting. This move is very good, but we need to close like this, because what might happen here is we will try to move up, but when we close, we can close somewhere over here and just keep trading down. And gunk. I don't know. QuantumScape. Told you, we are gonna move. Yeah, so we've dropped, on 4 hours, we've dropped below 200. It's gonna try to go back. If it breaks this level, the next resistance is at 1187. But we need volume, because look at the volume. Average volume is 1.38 millions. Today's volume 81,000. That's nothing. It needs volume. Okay, Palantir, what are you gonna do, Palantir? What are you gonna do?
Sit yourself down, girl, and
Yes. IMC moving nicely.
what's on your mind. Keep on telling me everything is okay. 'Cause if it was, then you wouldn't be crying.
Airbnb, here we go.
Been tossing and turning in your sleep,
See this?
babe.
We need to break this and settle above.
How in hell do you expect me to understand when I don't even know what's wrong?
And this is exactly what I was saying. Look how far we were from 100 and 200 EMAs. And look at the stock. Just pumped up. I'm not saying it's gonna break it. I wanted to break it. But it's like a magnet. It just attracts the price.
For the last 5 nights, honey, when we went to bed. Oh, I could tell something just wasn't right.
Same thing. We're gonna test 18. At least it's gonna try to. Let's see. Fuel cell. Yeah, I would expect a 1770 something today. But let's look into a smaller time frame. Okay, the next resistance on 30 minutes time frame is at 1732, 30 something. It's still a downtrend. Look, that's what happened here. The low point was over here. We were too far from the EMA. This is a 10-minute EMA. Boom. We're going back. We're retesting it. If we find enough buyers at this level on 10 minutes, the next one 15 minutes. And now look at 15 minutes. We need to settle above 15 minutes. If we settle above 15 minutes, next one 20 minutes. We still need some move for 20 minutes. And the higher the time frame, the more bulls we need to move the price up. You got in GME at 22. GME, I said I felt skeptical about them, but who knows? should have wait for the close on hourly chart. Log. Yes, 1 hour time frame. See, I wanted to settle to retest this level, and the next is $49. That's the price we need to touch. And there you go, fuel cell at 17. Sup of Jamie. Okay. Alright, see you. It might have a chance. So this is 10:30 candle. Pray for this candle to close above 122.87, because that's what would take for it to keep going up. Gonna follow sundial. Okay, sundial, see, makes the same thing. Was too far from 100 MA. There we go. We retested it again. Let's see, because I was in. I don't know. I got in at 156. What a stupid motherfucker. Was too busy with GameStop. Yeah, at least I made my money in GameStop yesterday, so it's fine. Daily time frame. I love it. It's very good. Whenever we start an uptrend, after of course a big move down, we will have these days. We will have like a green day, then a gap up, and then we're selling off, and then we have bulls here. You see how are we pushing the price? So we're on the right way. Okay, go ahead, Jamie. Go ahead. Yeah, it might. As I said, the confirmation is at 10:30, the close of this candle. The bigger the candle, the better. Because if this candle and the next one is green, we will have 4 or 5 candles up. So this is pretty much the whole day. Airbnb, love it. I hate that you can't play options in pre-market and after hours, but look what a good entry was yesterday at close. What a perfect entry. And the day before, same thing. We were, and here the same thing. We were too far from EMAs. at close right here, and the next day we went to retest it. This day over here, same thing, we were too far, bam, retesting it. Here, too far, bam, retesting it. So a good strategy would be to buy contracts for the next day with at least 7 days expiration if the price is too far away from EMAs. I'm talking hourly time frame, because the hourly time frame has a bigger impact on the price. GME moving nice. Okay, I'm still in though. I told you, 1,000 per share, baby. I was ready to lose this money though. Okay, GME, let's go. That's what I want. And what's the next target price? 103, the high 122, that's 19 bucks from here, 138. Okay, so we'll have a pullback from this price. I'll take some money off the table, Nikki. What I was gonna do? Bam. And okay. Right, see this candle? If we find resistance at 130, that's a bullish case. The volume weighted average price, this has a huge importance on the price. You never short the stock that is above this view up indicator, and you never buy the stock that's below this view up, because if it's above, the bulls are in control and you have big chances of losing money if you short the stock. Below this indicator, the bears are in control. Okay, Palantir needs to call off. Hopefully it finds resistance here. If it does, one more move is ahead. The next price target is 24.93. And let's check the math. 22.98, 23.70, so 70 cents. 70 cents from this level. 24.86. Yeah, so it matches the price. 24.80 something. Right at this level, right at 200 EMA. Oh, GME is still okay for now, but as I said, it needs to retest. Here we go. Yeah, it needs to retest 130. Let's see. Aye. When this candle closes, it closes in 30 seconds. We need a close above that. Eight seconds, come on. 5 seconds, let's go. Up. At least you do your job. Because see, right now we are above the view up, and it might find resistance there unless we break it and close above it. Yeah, the volume is actually 14 million. It's what's the average? The average is 30, almost 37 million for 3 months. One minute. Nice. You see higher lows, higher highs. That's good. Yeah, but the volume is pretty low. The volume pretty low. What's here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we need to make a new high in about 7 minutes, because if we don't, we're making this pattern right here. We're making ABC. Which is not to say that it's gonna drop, because if even if we make ABC and we hold above the view up, it's still good. And if we get nice volume the second time we touch the view up, that's bullish. happened with Johnson and Johnson's? Holy shit. That's odd. Did we get news on them? FDA panel to discuss J&J COVID vaccine. What you need to know? Yeah, this is just an overreaction. We need the approval. That's all it takes. The approval. Okay, 34 more minutes. We need to stay above 123. Look at the market. S&P takes down everything with it. What's going on here? Yeah, S&P wants to retest this 100-day EMA. Because look, we haven't retested it for a while. We had 1, we had 2, 3, and I think the 4th time was the price. 160, 170. Oi, GME, how you doing? Bullish. This is still bullish. This is 3 bars play. A huge move up after a move down. If we close above, if we keep above 123, we should have another bar like this, or at least 75% of it. Plug. Plug needs to find resistance here, and there we go. We found resistance here. We've consolidate after a big move up, and boom, see, we've repeated this move. That's what I want to see in a GME, because basically that's what we are doing right now. We've made a huge move up and we're consolidating. As long as we don't break this level, 123, That's bullish. Nick, I hope you took some profits off the table at 37, 38. See, we found resistance here at the high of the pre-market. Now we're gonna retest this thing. Come on. It's okay. Diamond hands. Iron balls. Wall Street Bets is proud of you. Bro, this is insane. Let me look at the penny stocks. What do we have here? Not good. This is good. Interesting, interesting. Next. Okay. All right. Nope. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, wait. 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 10:06. We'll have a green candle at 10:06. So 10:05 is a nice buy, but I'm not sure how far we're gonna go up. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I was dying yesterday, but it got a little busy, so. There we go. 10:05. $10:05 candle opens at 10:04. You gotta take that into account. So if let's say you know that the price is gonna change the direction at, how I said, 10:05, you're gonna make sure you enter at the end of 10:04 candle or at the beginning of 10:05. Okay, this is still downtrend. This is downtrend as long as we don't break this trend line, retest it, and make another move up. But look how beautiful. 10:05, right? Bam. 19. If you would enter the candle before, even better, because you get it at 16, 17, 18, and boom, 25, 24. That's from $5 to $8 per share. And I mean, when trading options is pretty damn hard on a minute time frame, because the price is so volatile. Trading shares, yes, you can, but you also need to have at least 100 shares to make some nice money, because in this case you would make from $500 to $800, right, on this candle. But that's a fucking huge amount of money. 100 shares, that's what, $12,000? BRB. Before I go to BRB, if we are consolidating here and we don't break this level, we should make another candle up, just about this size. No data. What's up with this stock? No volume. Okay, so we have 22 more minutes until 10:30 on GME. Oh, See, that's bad. We broke this level. We're going down. We need to close above $23 by 10:30 to keep going up. But this is S&P. S&P drags everything down with it. Look at this. What are you doing? And look, it did the same thing. At the close, it was too far from 100 and 200, and we closed at what? Previous close 382, and we've opened at 384. $2 per share. The contracts were mad good, because you could have get on it takes 7 days. Okay, so okay, I can't see the previous price, but open 706, but there were probably like 5 or 4 yesterday, and it opened at 7. $300 per contract, which is not good. It's actually 30 to 40% return on your money, so okay, you see we were consolidating, trying to break this EMAs. We broke it, and now retesting it. 10:30 we need to be above this level, because if not, that's not bueno. See, look at the hourly candle. This candle was so big, so huge, but that's what's happening right now. Music. After all these weeks of gains, we're cooling off. I mean, this was supposed to happen. So right now you can blindly choose a stock, and if you choose puts, you have an 80 to 90% to be right. Look at this. Everything is red. Boom. Even China is red. Alibaba. I was looking at Alibaba daily. It could not break these levels. I was waiting for it to break 270, 271, and it tested, but it couldn't hold it. The markets drags it down. Shopify. Holy damn. What's going on with Shopify? Are we making all the money in the world or what? $1,200 per share. The high was at 15, almost 1,500. What are the options on it? Let's take 200 days. Let's take out of the money. No, there is no way it doubles. $3,000. But Feta, look at Feta, is 0. So unless the stock goes down, you're good. But we don't have volume. If you don't have volume, no way you're selling it. Anyway, it's 200 days, so that would be a long-term hold. T9 Ltd. Bro, it's funny. I lost so much money in this stock when it was a penny stock, and I didn't have the balls to hold it long term. I would make so much money with them. I had a few hundred shares. But options though, because right now Bitcoin is gonna cool off. It's gonna cool off until 40, I think 42 to 39. We need to retest the previous high, and once it starts to go up again, and the next stop would be like $70,000. This stock is gonna go up huge, because we are like Bitcoin mining something, whatever, and 21 days. No, that's not enough. Let's look at the furthest. Okay, 800. Bro, you gotta be so stupid. Somebody bought the last contract for $1,500. Are you kidding me? The ask is 8. The bid is 4. That's what happens when you place a market buy order for a contract. Because at that point they don't care at what price they fill you. They will fill you like somebody just had a contract and set a limit order for 1,000 times more than it's worth. And since you have a market order, here we go, you get filled. Jamie, yeah. Okay, let's go. We need this close. We have 11 more minutes. We need the close above 23. This is bullish. Look, the bears dragged the price so low, but the bulls said, "No, boys, nah, it's okay. We'll take care of it." Bam! We bring it back. But at the same time, look how many bears we have here. Thirty minutes. What are you doing on 30 minutes? Okay, so here's the thing. If this candle closes in red, we'll make 2 more candles. So we'll have 3 candles over here. But if it closes in green, we'll repeat this move up. So as I said, actually we've touched already 138, but we should close at 38 on 30 minutes time frame. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by 2:30 p.m. So it all depends on this candle. This candle closes in 8 minutes. It's looking good for now. We are pushing it. We are pushing it good. Top of Tesla. Tesla was down so bad. But they've won a contract in Europe or Australia, where I don't know. Come on, man. Okay. Bro, daily time frame. We finally touched 100 EMA, 100 days. So that's strong. This the last time we did, we found the resistance as 200. Now look at the move. Now, all we need to have is a buying power over here. If we find the resistance here, because look, we've tested 100 days EMA, and look how many bulls. Bam! The price went from 661 to 742. That's a lot of money. $80 per share almost. And now we're retesting this move. So as long as we don't make a new low, this is bullish. What are the contracts in them? Let's say 34 days with first Okay, we have nice volume at 1,000 strike price. Because doesn't matter. You know how Tesla moves. It moves $100 per day. They don't care. It's fine. So when that moves happens, this will double at least, because there are 34 days until expiration. It's getting the implied volatility will move the price up. So these contracts look very nice. Plus we have open interest volume, so you could change the contract really quick. All we need a few green days and a close above 740, 44, 40, 42, 43, a close above this. That would be the confirmation of the trend reversal. A close above, a close below 662, that's bearish. Okay, GME, here we go. 4 more minutes until 10:30 close. We're keeping it good. What's the minutely time frame? One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, we might close above this view up. That's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because look at this. This move is finished. The bears are exhausted. Now it's time for the bulls to step up. But let's see if they have enough power to drag the price up. We need to trade above this 127 level. Two more minutes. Let's go. You can do it. You can do it. What I noticed for scalping, you know what scalping is, when you're in trade for seconds or for a few minutes. If pre-market we make this move like here, A, B, C. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam! The stock explodes in the first few minutes of the market open. So look at the potential. You see this move? You see 4? Because the previous red move, if we would make like 5, 6, 7, we would confirm this move. So that's not really nice. But something changed here. We've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles, and the next drop is only 4 candles. So that shows a change in price. And bam bam, bulls are in control. Then 4 candles down. And if you'd enter here, what was the opening price? The opening price was 117. If you'd enter that price until 140 or 142, there was some money to be made. So it's 10:30. We closed below 23. That's bad. That's bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 candles down. What's the move? 32. 19. Let's take 20. 12 bucks. 1010. Let's see. Okay, this might be good. We've tried to break the view up, but we couldn't. We went down, but we did not make a new low. So what I want to see right now is at least 3 green candles, because we might have only 2, and if we have only 2, we're gonna repeat 5 candles down. But if we have 3, we will repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles up. What's the daily looking like? Listen, the daily is still okay as long as we close in green, because it's totally normal for the stock to have a sell-off if it gaps up, especially as big as GME did. We closed at 91, 92, and we've opened the next day at 170. Come on, of course. way down we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. So this is a very important level. We should trade above this. If we break it, we're gonna continue to go down. And if we go down, we might find a very nice price to buy around noon, around 1-2 o'clock, and then it's gonna have a recovery before market close. But if we keep trading above that, see, that's what we will do. And around 11 we should, 11 or 12, we should be trading above the view up. Okay, green candle, love it, love it. Something is changing. Because look, we've made 4 candles. Technically we were supposed to repeat these 4 candles, but we had only 2. The buyers stepped in. Spy, spy, spy. Drags everything down. Airbnb. Yo, Airbnb is looking nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we might go up until 1049 or 86, 92. That's $6 till 97. Now this is the reversal. We're gonna have a little move down, and most probably we'll find the resistance over here. But as I said, the daily time frame, was the daily time frame looking good? Yes, the daily time frame was looking good. Today was the reversal date. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there we go. Good price to buy. And the up move. $160 is very optimistic. Look, the problem is And I told you before that after the drop Jamie had, together with the hedge funds that are shorting this stock, we'll have a lot of new investors that will want to short this stock. And it's even harder for it to go up. Yesterday, the puts. Have you seen the puts? They open at $6 per contract, and the highest point was $400 per contract. The people who shorted this stock made some fucking huge money. 40,000 out of 600. 400,000 out of 6,000. That's insane. But we may have a chance. One second.
Gonna tell you a story like this. Sometime when you go home at midnight, you ain't got nobody to talk to. It's make you feel lonely. You borrow a dime to call up your friend on the telephone, and the line is busy. That's what make you feel so bad. That's why I'm gonna stand right here and just sing the blues. Lonesome in my bedroom, just me and myself alone. Lonesome in my bedroom, baby, just me and myself alone. got to say so long. You know I'm tired of sleeping by myself, baby. You know I got to leave you alone. Oh, yeah. Did you ever see a one-eyed woman cry? Oh, yeah. Did you ever see a one-eyed woman cry? You know the saddest thing about the woman, the tears don't come out of her just one eye. I'm gonna tell you, one-eyed woman, I'm not gonna tell you no more. Stop buying your groceries at the supermarket, go to that same old grocery store. Oh yeah. Did you ever see a one-eyed woman cry? You know the saddest thing about the woman, the tears don't come out of her just one eye. You know a one-eyed woman should do the best she can. She searched the world over, trying to find her one-eyed man. Oh yeah. Did you ever see a one-eyed woman cry? You know the saddest thing about the woman, the tears don't come out of her just one eye.
Did you ever quit a woman? Then you realize that you need her so bad. Now she belongs to someone else, and she's someone that you just can't have. Did you ever turn a cry? And you realize that it's just too late. Did you ever turn a cry? And you realize that it's just too late. Because a girl you had to yourself, she ain't coming back nowhere. No. Oh. Did you ever feel lonely? And you not know where to turn? Did you ever feel lonely? And you not know where to turn? what you did to her.
Sit yourself down, girl, and talk to me. Tell me what's on your mind. Keep on telling me everything is okay. 'Cause if it was, then you wouldn't be crying. You've been tossing and turning in your seat lately, babe. Sitting around pouting all day long. Now how in hell do you expect me to understand when I don't even know what's wrong? Let's straighten it out. Let's straighten it out. Let's straighten it out. Let's straighten it out. For the last 5 nights, honey, when we went to bed, oh, I could tell something just wasn't right. You turn your back to me and you covered your head. And you didn't even say goodnight.
slightly hung over you. I'd be lying, baby, if I said it wasn't true. Slightly hungover, maybe slightly blue. Slightly hungover, maybe slightly blue.
Alright, GME. This reversal needs to happen. It's perfectly working. We need one more candle on this side. We need the fourth candle right here, and then we need to go up. $113, that's a good price to buy. Okay, so the expected reversal is at 12 o'clock, but since we're on 30 minutes time frame, the 12 o'clock candle will start at 11:30. So that's when you start buying, at 11:30. And everything after 11:30, every price we get should be more than 113, 112 we got before. Applying risk management here, your stop loss should be around 109. Actually, I would set it at 98 just in case, because that's the last low. If we break this low, down we go, boys. Down. There we go. Here is the candle I need. There we go. Finds resistance. It finds resistance at this level. Come on, buyers. We need volume. See the volume? It's very, very low. But I expect an increase in volume somewhere over here. So if we get an increase in volume, these 3 candles, that's a very, very bullish sign. Plug is acting nice. It's gonna have a reversal though. It's gonna retest. This is the second candle. When this candle closes, we'll have a drop. And there we go. See how we've retested 100 days EMA. We had a move up. Now we've retested the move up. We didn't make a new low. And look at this day. This day is so bullish. Look at this candle. If we close here or above that, this is a good sign that the trend starts to go up again. Let's go, Jamie. Let's go. You want it. The volume is increasing little by little. Too slow though, but it's still increasing. I'll take it. Fuel cell. Same thing with fuel cell. Look, fuel cell acts just like plug. We had to move up. We dropped below the view up. We came back. We had a consolidation. And who knows about the 3 bars play? You know that if you have a big huge move up after a drop and then you consolidate at above the 50, better above 30%, you'll have another move up equal or 75% of this first move, and that's what we do right here. So if you'd enter, let's say you'd enter over here, because that's a confirmation, you'd set your stop loss somewhere over here at the low of the previous candle, and you would take your profits. Let's see. %75%, okay? Doesn't matter if it goes higher, you still made money. You've entered here at 1682 and you've sold at 1723. This is the price. It still might go up a little bit, but it needs to come down. So it's always a good idea to take some money off the table. Tesla. We did not make a new low. It's good. It's good. Tesla is a beast. Airbnb. Told you, Airbnb, this was the 9th day. So the 9th day, based on the past history, was supposed to be a green day. And there we go, we're 12% up. That's 22 bucks, 23 bucks per share. The calls over there are printing right now. When it rains, it pours. It pours money.
Darling, you're sweet.
Nikki, you are still in? Talking about GME. All these stocks move the same. I feel very bearish about the stock market. Of course, we'll have a few of them that will move against the market. But as you know, if S&P goes down, it drags everything down with it. And it's very important to concentrate on those stocks that go against the market. You know why the price on GME is not moving right now? We are waiting on my prediction. That's why. Just kidding though. Okay. We should not make a new low. Come on. This 12 o'clock candle. There we go. What did I say? It is happening. But again, you gotta take in consideration one thing. The 3 bars play in a down trajectory. We have a big red candle. Because if you compare it to all other red candles, this is a huge red candle. The 3 bars play says that, yeah, here we go. Yeah, the closing at 12 o'clock will show us. But still, this candle just opened. It still has time. If it's red, it's red. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 more candles.
Sometimes when you go home at midnight, you ain't got nobody to talk to. Just make you feel lonely. You borrow a dime and call up your friend on the telephone, the line is busy. That's what make you feel so bad.
What do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This candle needs to close in green in order for it to start a bull move. Remember, stop loss $98. Actually, you can set it lower. You can set it at 94, because as long as we don't break this low over here, we're good. But if we do break it, $72, yeah, we'll have a drop of $72 starting 131. So that brings it to 60s right here. Pay attention to this candle right here, 12 o'clock candle. We need a green candle there, and everything above, green.
Everybody got the woman they love. And I wonder where my baby be.
This is an example of how higher time frames have a bigger influence on the price than the smaller time frames. Because what I usually do is, when I analyze the stock, I go to a daily time frame, and if I see a reversal happening on a daily time frame, I would go to 4 hours time frame. So I would look for a nice price on 4 hours. Then let's say I find that a good price would be, let's say, 12 o'clock 4 hours candle. You go to hourly time frame, and you find between those 4 hours the candle that would give you the best price. Now you go to 30 minutes, and you find between those two candles of 30 minutes, which make up 1 hour together, you find the one that would give you the best price to enter. And if you want even a lower price, 10 minutes and 5 minutes will help you out. But right now, look, we are almost at the top. Plug needs a reversal. Not saying it's gonna drop, most probably not. This is a very bullish case, but it will need to retest a 46-47 level. GME, come on. It's almost 12. You know what to do. One, two, three, four, five, six. 5. That's the lowest close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th candle should be green. Come on. Did we touch 98? We did not. 94. Actually, 94. Yeah, this is a nice 3 bars play. Huge red candle. Small green candle. Bam. Going down. Minutely time frame. Yeah, so what we did here, we broke this support level. We've tried to go back up, we could not. And here, when we crossed this price down, that's a confirmation of the price going up down. Yeah, boys, this is a down move. This is a down move. waiting on this candle. Still waiting on it. Let's go. So we're gonna have a small move up, most probably here, but it's gonna drop. The higher time frame goes down. This is our volume though. See? 12 o'clock volume. There we go. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. That's not enough. I'd expect it to go to 116, but if we don't get bigger volume, we won't break this level. Plus we are oversold. That's good. But being oversold on 5 minutes time frame doesn't mean you are oversold on hourly time frame. That drop needs 80 something for it to be oversold. That's if we talk about the end of the day, the tomorrow. For now, I'll just exit somewhere in this area and you can short it, because I said before, you do not short buy the stocks over here, and you do not short them over here on top. You short the stock when it's below the view up. My bad. So, as I said before, the reversal was supposed to happen at 12 o'clock, right? Now you go to a smaller time frame, 30 minutes, and based on that, the reversal was supposed to happen in the second half of the 12 o'clock candle, so that's after 11 o'clock. But what I didn't look at is 10 minutes time frame and 5 minutes time frame. And if we go to 5 minutes time frame, we count from the last high, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we go here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is the candle we needed. 10 o'clock. So you do the measurements starting the higher time frame, and you go down each time frame and you make sure everything is synchronized. That's when you'll find the best price to buy, and you gotta know when to sell as well. So I have a resistance at this level, so that's an obvious sell over here, at least half of the position. And if we break it, you still have half of the shares to take profits on. If we don't, you just sell and you'll still be in profit.
How in hell do you expect me to understand when I don't even know what's wrong? Let's straighten it out. Let's straighten it out. Let's straighten it out. Let's straighten
Alright, but if we talk
honey when we went to bed.
um,
Oh, I couldn't
a
tell
few days ahead, 80 something level needs to be touched. See, right now it's trying to close this gap over here.
now if you're tired, you don't want to be bothered, stay. Say the word, I'll leave you alone.
Hourly time frame 1 2 1 2. 30 minutes time frame 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. 10 minutes time frame 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 and 5. See, that's not bueno. So something is not right. That's why you go to a lower time frame, and that's when you find the price you need. $11.55. That was the time to buy. Now, it's very important that we don't go below 101. If we do go below 101, the 84, 85 level price is gonna come real soon. If now, we're still gonna go up. We'll probably find a resistance here and go down again. Unless we get a tweet from Elon Musk. GME, GME, GME. here we're also forming a 3 bars play. After I move down, we have a huge green candle. We have a red candle which doesn't go below 50%, oh, even 30% of the previous candle. And we're trying to break this level. So if we talk scalping, you enter at 106.87, you set your stop loss at 101, and you wait for $4 move starting this point, so that's 109. You exit at 109, and since 109.00 might have a lot of orders, because people like to put their sell order or buy order at even price, so that's like 106, 106.50 was 117, 117.50. These are levels that you want to avoid because it's gonna be hard to sell, it's gonna be hard to buy. And what to do, you just set your stop taking profit around 108, let's say 108.80, 108.90. It's easier to sell when you don't have so many orders and you're not waiting in line to get filled.
Well, it's been 30 days and 30 nights, baby.
There we go. Told you plug is gonna have a red candle after these 3 candles up. And this is a bullish, very bullish sign. But if we talk a few hours ahead, it still needs to go back down. The volume, look at the volume. Nice. That's what you wanna see. You wanna see higher highs, higher lows, trading above the view up, and nice volume. Same thing with sell. There we go. I have this move down. Trading up, higher highs, higher lows, above the view up. Nice volume. Still needs to repeat this move. So whenever this bull move is done, it will go back to $16 in that range. Alright, we'll see how this unfolds. As I said, it breaks this level, 101, it goes down. If it keeps going up, we might find resistance here. We'll have a pullback. If we break the resistance, very bullish. If we don't break this resistance, still gonna go down. This is if we talk about the today's price action. If we talk about the few days price action, this drop needs to happen here. So $80 per share, 85, it's coming at least until Monday. Then we'll see, because after a huge move up, a pullback down is fine. We need to retest these EMAs and we'll still be up from the last trading prices, 38, 40. All right, I will see you Monday. Peace.